next day hale aduga ne aise aigi room neba aduga aido masai thabak to hatho tu japegi aise khaidi fan ke kai mai ke muthat pa kawriba adai bill do amna extra da bill do la andana adu ke humang nams ado ina aigi room owner da mai le muthat pion hai neba ai sam ya de humang nams ngai ne ai asige kamaina hang ge hei ta ba asige hang ga di mai than ya do ne bu ka Alam mo yung masih may amda product khara utti ko ay skin je mo yung nusada tum chat pe nusada yung kan lida na adu yun ay product kay se kano ni hangasi masti katang lak pa ba do anti day ni ko ay na utti se only this si pro product se katang utti ko kay kana kita summer gi ngata ni ko change se adu may amda supply na ko summer gi kay kana gani ko kanina hang problem I'm not that much expert in skincare but dum share to ko may amda First, she's a sunscreen. No, sorry. Watermelon refresh gel face wash. I say watermelon champa me ba kay no watermelon kasi am na kana benefit kiti oy de to tare ko so kano ida magtadi summer ida magtadi mai de am na kaya to halida na fresh whole that's it. Oh, nice smell. अच्छा smell आया यार हाँ. It's very good smell. Right now I'm sorry, I get loan again. My friend is here, so that's why. I loan nga mo sa nung ay tawa naman na sum kanong kanit na ako. Ado gini. Ay hudi make up ta half day ko. Adugo sakte adre. Ado kasi kay de I'll just show you. Si le ko sige face wash am. Ino nga I haven't used her gam bulak kami am na. Adugo mathangi na si de. Si de kano ne ba? Gloss Boss lip balm vitamin C plus E aduga khwai phabam na SPF 30 summer gi just for summer only I got this. I'm not a lip balm person but still you have to take care, right? Manam kunung sima, the smell is so good. I'll just show you the texture. Okay, try no you also. The smell is strawberry. Even lip tint also include here. Lip tint also है. इसलिए ना wet आया ना है color. हाँ. Wow. Everything duty day halai niya tugi. Mom tare WhatsApp to drink because before using this product I just want to show you guys that's why. Aduga mathangi sinasigi strawberry. I think everything is strawberry and watermelon. Strawberry dew sunscreen stick air light SPF 50 plus. Adugi sise skin tag khudi makine non greasy finish easy reapplicable. Sise aina yang pame sise kayo da we can take everywhere pocket friendly way na adum pocket adum kubi ai sise aina am try to ningi kayo da me am na advertisement to go lots of influencers used to do this advertise. So I just want to try this out. The packaging is very cute. My packaging is cute way ko. Adu cute way. Smile lai hai. The shoe cover am se ave. Very hygiene. Aisa in the hair we have to. मैंने एक लगा. Yam sang ni se. Nice na. It's very cute na. Very cute. Smell तो नहीं है. Like, adum sinabi ani ko mobile ko kada. Wow, it's nice yeah. It seems like I was applying something glossy. Oh my god. Just on the way, when you feel like that it was very sunny, then you can just take it out from your purse bag and just like try
this when you are having makeup on this.
Wow. Different to दिखते हैं ना? Okay guys, it's very nice. Champai anu ay se. मैं हम try तो विंगा से तुम तो वो यहाँ तक कि मोई big sale लाख के बता. अदर ले हो बने बको sale लाख बने ले हो बने. Actually I bought this sale. Makeup, if you want to buy makeup or anything, buy when there is a sale. So so that you'll save a lot of money, right? Okay, this part is done. What I want to do is next, this is the last product that I was going to show you guys. It is very cute. This is Dot and Key Illuminating Glow Detent Clear Polish Green Tea and Lemon Verbena Sandalwood Glow Active 10 Clearing Formula, no nasty chemicals. I na si khali je kai no da nu sa thu ba mai da ka thek pa khama ga mura mule bi do adu gi da ma da ina si je try to ga hai na chen mane Dot and Key product is best product because I used to try a lot.
Take that. No. Show them that this
You know what? My friend is helping me. My friend is rubbing. Oh, wow! I think I took lots, yeah? Take some more from here. Bas. Smells so good, bro.
refreshing.
Yeah. Wow. Pulling in, yeah. My fresh or I'm ing galaw. So next part is I'll try this one. Did try to go. Smells so good. They see you have it. So you expose your face to the sun, so it will be glowing again. Yes. That's why only I purchased this. I feel the freshness. My just smooth oil ko male. Aduga tang fresh the oil. See lora kanda isigi Dot and Key is night cream ne ko retinol plus kara my sleep treatment cream. Sisu part of very important. Yamaru oiba night cream tay raga tunga daba. Madam cute oiba nina adum season na ning ba do oy ko ai. After this, I'll try this. Done! This much. After this, I can sleep. Yeah, this is all set for night cream. I'll show you one extra combo for you guys. She said Dot and Key's glossy sleep mask. Si kadang tumaga, si tayo raga, tumo siya ko sleep mask. But I don't want to try it today. Ay nga si titayin de because I already used the mask, clay mask. That's why I don't want to use this one today. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Good night.